Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your math class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 5. Name of the chapter is fractions. Chapter 5 of term 1. And it is our revision lecture 1. Today's subtopics are introduction to fraction, types of fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let's start with our first topic, fraction. When a whole number is divided into parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. जब कोई होल मतलब पूरी थिंग पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है तो उसका हर पार्ट होल का फ्रैक्शन कहलाता है. लाइक यू हैव अ चॉकलेट एंड यू हैव द whole part is one chocolate and you have divided your chocolate into two parts, then the fraction is 1 by 2, half. So these fractions are the part of the whole. This each part is called the fraction of the whole. Types of the fractions. First of all, we will do like and unlike fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators, or we can say fractions having same denominators are known as like fractions, and the fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Like 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Whole is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. 1 upon 4, 2 parts are shaded, 2 upon 4, 3 parts are shaded, 3 upon 4. So denominator is same, 4. So these are the examples of like fractions. And unlike fractions, a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, then whole is divided into 3 equal parts, out of which 2 parts are shaded and here 1 part is shaded. And now whole is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So the fractions are 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4. Different denominators are there, 2, 3, 4. So these are the examples of unlike fractions. Next is proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions are less than a whole and improper fractions are more than a whole. Say this example, less than a whole. एक complete से less. 6 upon 7 is a proper fraction, means the fraction having numerator smaller than denominator. And 8 upon 5 is an example of improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction having numerator greater than denominator. So that's why when you divide 8 with 5, you will get the improper fraction as it is more than a whole. Right? Next is mixed fraction. A fraction which has a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fractional part. See this example, 2 whole 1 upon 3 is a mixed fraction in which 2 is a whole number and 1 upon 3 is the fractional part. Next definition is unit fraction. These definitions can come in the form of 1 mark question, or these can come in the form of fill-ups or MCQs. So you have to understand it. Unit fraction, a fraction in which the numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर 1 है, that is known as unit fraction. So this example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 16. What are these? A circle is divided into 2 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. Now it is divided into 4 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. It is divided into 8 equal parts and 1 is shaded. And now the circle is divided into 16 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. So numerator is always 1. So these are the examples of unit fraction. Next definition is equivalent fractions. Two fractions are said to be equivalent if the product of the numerator of first and denominator of the second is equal to the product of denominator of the first and numerator of the second. Means when we have two fractions and we are doing cross multiplication, then both the sides should be equal. Look here, this example of unit fraction. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 12 is equal to 4 upon 16 is equal to 5 upon 20. Now we will check this. What was written in our definition? When we cross multiply 8 ones are 8, 4 twos are 8. Both the sides are getting 8 and 8. So these are equivalent fractions. How we will get equivalent fractions? You have done in previous class also. If 1 upon 4 is given and we have to find out the next two equivalent fractions, then what we will do? 1 upon 2 multiply by 2, we will multiply numerator with 2 and we will multiply denominator also with 2. With the same number, with same digit we will multiply numerator and denominator. Then we will get 2 upon 8. If we are multiplying numerator with 3 and denominator with 3, then we will get 3 upon 12. So in this way we can find out the equivalent fractions. Now let's start our practice questions. Write the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. 9 upon 4. It is improper as numerator is greater than denominator. So 9 is dividend, 4 is divisor. 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Now we have got here divisor 4, quotient 2, dividend 9 and remainder 1. So we have to write it in the mixed fraction form. We know that mixed fraction is a combination of whole number part and a fractional part. So it is written in the form of Q whole R upon D. Q is quotient 2, R 1 and D divisor 4. So 2 whole 1 upon 4. Now next question is, complete the fraction by filling the missing number. 15 upon dash is equal to 3 upon 5. We have to find out this denominator. Both these are equivalent fractions. The given numerators are 15 and 3. So when we will divide 15 by 3, we will get quotient as 5. So 15 divided by 5 will give 3. So what number we can write here so that when we divide the given number with 5, we will get 5 as an answer. That number can be 25. Right? As 15 divide 5, 3, 25 divide 5 is equal to 5. So our answer will become 25. Or you can check from here also, 3 5s are 15 is written. So 5 5s are 25 will come here. Next question is, reduce the following fraction into lowest term. 5 upon 25. Lowest term means we have to write the reduced form of this. 5 upon 25. We know that these both the numbers are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 will give you the answer 1. 25 divided by 5 will give answer 5. You can do cancellation also here. You can show here 5, cut down it and write here 5. 25 cut down and write here 5. 5 cut down and write 1. 5 ones are 5. And here 25 will cut down and 5 will be written. You can show by division sign also or by cutting also. So 1 upon 5. No further division is possible. अब कोई और division possible नहीं है. So 5 upon 25 is reduced to 1 upon 5. This is the lowest form. See the next part of the lowest form. 27 upon 36. 27, 36. You know that these both the digits are divisible, both the numerals are divisible by 3. So 27 divided by 3, 36 divided by 3. सेम नंबर से सेम डिजिट से हमें डिवाइड करना है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को. डिफरेंट डिजिट्स नहीं लेने हैं, अदरवाइज इट विल बी रॉन्ग. यू कांट टेक हेयर डिवीजन बाय 3 एंड हेयर डिवीजन बाय 2. दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. 27 divided by 3 will give quotient 9. 36 divided by 3 will give quotient 12. 9 upon 12. Again these both are divisible by 3. So write down 9 upon 12 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 will give the answer 3. 12 divided by 3 will give answer 4. 3 upon 4. Now no further division is possible. 3 is prime number. 3 only 3 से divide होगा या 1 से होगा. 4 3 से divide होता नहीं. So no further division is possible. So 27 upon 36 is reduced to 3 upon 4. Next question is insert greater, less or equal sign. This question is given from your exercise. 3 upon 9, 2 upon 9. Denominators are same. When the denominator is same, then the number that has greater numerator is greater. So the greater numerator is 3. So 3 upon 9 is greater than 2 upon 9. Right? Same here. 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. 5 is greater. So 5 upon 7 will become greater than 3 upon 7. Or 3 upon 7 is less than 5 upon 7. Right? Now, see this next part. 4 upon 6, 4 upon 7. Now, numerators are same. Denominators are different. So the rule says, when numerator is same, then the fractional number that has smaller denominator is greater. छोटा denominator होगा वो number fractional number बड़ा होगा. So 4 upon 6 is greater than 4 upon 7. And now 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4. We can reduce it into lowest form. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So we will put equal sign. 1 upon 7. This is fractional number. This is whole number. Whole number is always greater than fractional. Next is 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Convert it into lowest form. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So put equal sign here. Next questions are also from your exercise. Circle the greatest fraction in each. 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Denominators are same. So we will check the greater numerator. Greater numerator is 4. So 4 upon 5 is greatest. 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 1 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is greater. 8 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 3 upon 10. Greater numerator is 8. So the fraction 8 upon 10 is greatest fraction. Next question is circle the smallest fraction in each. Smallest fraction 1 upon 13, 6 upon 13, 7 upon 13, 8 upon 13. Now denominators are same. We have to find out the smallest fraction. So जिसका numerator छोटा होगा वो smallest fraction बन जाएगा. So 1 upon 13 is our answer. 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 4 upon 8. Smallest fraction is 1 upon 8 because numerator is smaller. 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 7. Smallest fraction will become 1 upon 7. Next question is arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 8. Look here, numerators are same, 1, 1, 1. When numerator is same, then fractional number that has greater denominator is smaller. So 1 upon 8 and then 1 upon 6 and then 1 upon 4 we will take. 1 upon 8 is less than 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is less than 1 upon 4. So this is our ascending order. Next question is arrange in descending order. Descending order. Bigger to smaller. 1. Whole number is given. 1, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 8 upon 7. So first of all what we will do, we will multiply 1 with 7 and divide it also with 7. So it will become 7 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 8 upon 7. Now denominators are same. When denominators are same, then the fractional number that has greater numerator is greater. So the greater numerator is 8. Next is 7. Next is 3 and next is 2. So we will write down 8 upon 7 is greater than 7 upon 7. 7 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. So this is our descending order. But 7 upon 7 original was, in the question it was given 1. So we will write down 1 in our answer. 8 upon 7 is greater than 1. 1 is greater than 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. Now our next type is addition and subtraction. Add 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 3 whole 1 upon 3. Here I have changed it. In place of 2 I have taken 4 because 2 whole 1 upon 3 we have taken previously also. So 4 whole 1 upon 3 plus 3 whole 1 upon 3. We will write down in solution the same question. Now we will convert it into improper. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 3 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 upon 3. As denominators are same 3 3. So LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. So we will directly add the numerators. 13 plus 10, that is 23 upon 3. 23 upon 3 is improper fraction. So we will divide 23 by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 minus 1, 2. So mixed fraction will become 7 whole 2 upon 3. Q whole R upon D. Got it? Next part, 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 8. Now denominators are different. So we will write down the question first and then we will start solution now. LCM we will take of 4, 3 and 8 here. 4, 3 and 8. First of all we will do division with 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 will be copied. 2 4s are 8. Then again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 will be copied. 2 2s are 4. With 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 will be written. 2 1s are 2. And at last we will take 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 4, 3 and 8 is 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now we will take LCM. Put 1 bar and now divide denominator by denominator. 24 divided by 4. Quotient will be 6. 6 will be multiplied with the numerator. Numerator is 1. 1 into 6. Now what was our step? Divide denominator with denominator. 26 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. So quotient is 8. 8 will be multiplied with 2. Divide 24 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 will be multiplied with numerator. Numerator is 7. So it will become 6 plus 16 plus 21 upon 24. We will add this and after adding we will get 43 upon 24. 43 upon 24 is improper fraction. So it will be converted into mixed fraction form. 24 2s are 48. बड़ा हो जाता है 43 से. So 24 1s are 24. Then when we will subtract 24 from 43 we will get 19. Q whole R upon D. That is 1 whole 19 upon 24. If you are not able to do orally, you can do division in rough column. Next part is 6 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Now minus is there. Take LCM of 4 and 8. It will be 8 as we know that 4 2s are 8. है ना? 8 is a multiple of 4, so it will become LCM also. Now write 8 as a denominator, put bar, divide 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 multiply by 6 minus 8 divide 8 will give answer 1. 1 multiply by 5. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 5. 7 upon 8. It is proper fraction. So no division will be there. Next question is insert plus or minus. Box is made here. We have to put the sign 1 upon 8. 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 8. 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8 से 3 upon 8 कब मिलेगा? When we will put addition sign. Because 1 plus 2 will give 3. And 8 or 8 will give the LCM 8. Next is 15 upon 16 dash 3 upon 16 is equal to 3 upon 4. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ चेक करिए डिनोमिनेटर 16 था, it has become 4. So if we are doing 15 plus 3 18, 18 upon 16 then it will not give us the answer 3 upon 4 क्योंकि जब हम उसे कट करेंगे then we will not reach to this answer. When we put minus sign 15 minus 3 12, 12 upon 16. Now do cutting with table of 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 14. Now we are getting 3 upon 4. So we will put minus sign. You have to check it, only then you will put the correct sign. Write as improper fraction as we have done previously also. 4 whole 5 upon 11. 11 4s are 44. 44 plus 5, 49. 49 upon 11. Right? Now next is statement sum of from the topic addition and subtraction. A man gives 3 upon 5 of his property to his wife, 1 upon 4 to his son, and remaining to his daughter. What part of the property did the daughter receive? एक मैन की जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसका 3/5 पार्ट उसने अपनी वाइफ को दिया, 1/4 पार्ट अपने सन को दिया, बाकी बचा हुआ अपनी डॉटर को दिया. तो उसकी डॉटर को कितनी प्रॉपर्टी मिली? First of all, we will do the addition of these, how much they both have received. Property given to wife, 3/5 part. Property given to son, 1/4 part. Now, property given to wife and son, total we will do 3/5 plus 1/4. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20. Take denominator 20, put bar, and then 3 multiply by 4, because 20 divided by 5 will give answer 4. And then 1 multiply by 5. 12 plus 5 upon 40, it will give 17 upon 40. तो इतनी प्रॉपर्टी उसने अपनी वाइफ और सन को दी है. उस मैन के पास प्रॉपर्टी कितनी थी हमें नहीं पता, तो हमने मान लिया कि लेट द प्रॉपर्टी इज 1. प्रॉपर्टी गिवन टू डॉटर 1 अगर टोटल थी तो 1 में से 17/40 तो है ही नहीं अब उसके पास, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 1/1 minus 17/40. LCM of 1 and 40 is 40. So when 40 divided by 1 will give quotient 40. 40 multiply by 1 minus 40 divide 40 will give quotient 1. 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर से, दैट इज 17. So 40 minus 17 upon 40, it will become 23/40. This much property that man has given to his daughter. Now next question is, it is also from your exercise 5C. Mickey ate. I have changed the digits. Digit match मत करना बेटा. I have changed. Mickey ate 1/5 piece of a bread in the morning and 2/5 in the evening. Mickey is a rat. How much of the bread did it eat by the end of the day? मिक्की ने 1/5 पीस ऑफ ब्रेड मॉर्निंग में खाया, 2/5 पीस इवनिंग में खाया, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे के एंड में उसने कितना ब्रेड खा लिया? इट इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन दैट वी विल डू एडिशन. सो मिक्की एट ब्रेड इन द मॉर्निंग 1/5, मिक्की एट ब्रेड इन द इवनिंग 2/5, मिक्की एट ब्रेड इन द एंड ऑफ द डे 1/5 plus 2/5. LCM is 5, so add numerators directly. 1 plus 2, 3. So Mickey ate 3/5 bread in the end of the day. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do assignment 1 in the notebook. Assignment you will get on EdQuark website. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.